I recently went from the GODOX AD600 Pro to the GODOX AD600 Pro version 2. I also changed my remote. I now use the X3. But before I share with you guys my experience, a proper review, I want to share with you a few BTS videos of photoshoot sessions where I actually use these accessories. Apart from these changes, I'm still using the same camera, the GFX 100S, and mainly for portrait photo shoots like this one, the GF80 mil. I will not share much here about my experience with the AD600 Pro II and the X3 because there will be a proper review. All I can say right now is version 2 from the outside pretty much looks like version 1 until you turn them on. But I cannot say that about the remotes because the X3 is much lighter, smaller, and now has a touchscreen. But more about these in a future video. Right now, let's concentrate on this fitness portrait photo shoot. I only used one flash, one remote, and a brand new softbox. So what can I say without saying too much? The AD600 Pro version 2, I felt at home. It was easy to use it right away. And the X3, it's smaller, it's lighter, it has a touch screen. So obviously it was easy for me to dial in my settings. So if you have any questions, please ask them down below and I will try to address them in my future review that should come out after maybe 2 other BTS videos with these accessories. And I guess that this is it for me now, that I will catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and please have a good one.